In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if Ticketmaster tickets are real. We're going to walk through the official Ticketmaster flow and point out the signs that show you're looking at authentic, verified tickets. Start by going directly to the Ticketmaster website or the official app. Make sure you're on the genuine Ticketmaster domain with a secure connection. This matters because scammers often imitate the look of real pages. Using the official site or app ensures you're seeing legitimate inventory and real checkout screens. Next, select the event you want to attend. An authentic event page will show the correct venue, date and time, along with clear branding and policies. You should see options for tickets, sometimes including standard and verified resale. Both are legitimate when they appear within Ticketmaster's ecosystem. Click Find Tickets to open the interactive seat map or list view. Real Ticketmaster listings show sections, rows, prices, and availability that update in real time. If there's a virtual waiting room or a short queue for high demand shows, that's normal, and a sign you're in the official system. Choose a ticket from the listings. Authentic tickets will display details like section, row, seat, or general admission, and pricing with fees shown or disclosed before checkout. If you see verified resale, that means it's a fan-to-fan resale, hosted and guaranteed within Ticketmaster, not a random seller. Pick your seat on the map or confirm your ticket type. Legit listings often label notes such as limited or obstructed view, delivery method, and quantity limits. These labels are part of Ticketmaster's safeguards to set expectations and prevent bulk purchasing by bots. Click next to move into the checkout. This is where the strongest authenticity cues appear. You should see a countdown timer to hold your seats, a full order summary with taxes and fees, and delivery options like mobile entry or mobile transfer. Mobile entry via Ticketmaster's secure barcode system is a hallmark of real tickets. Barcodes typically refresh and only appear in the app close to the event for security. Now look for ticket insurance during checkout. The insurance option offered by an authorized partner appears on genuine Ticketmaster orders. Its presence is a good sign you're still in the official purchase flow. If you don't see it for a particular event, that can be normal, but if anything looks off, back up and make sure you never left the official site. Always complete payment only inside the Ticketmaster checkout and avoid sending money or screenshots to anyone outside the platform. Follow this path and you'll have clear indicators that your Ticketmaster tickets are real. Stay on the official site, use the built-in seat map, proceed through the secure checkout, and look for the insurance option to confirm authenticity.